Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allahu ta'ala fi Surah Tawba, فَلْيَضْحَكُوا قَلِيلًا وَلْيَبْكُوا كَثِيرًا جَزَاءً بِمَا كَانُوا يَكْسِبُونَ. Translation: so let them laugh a little, and then they will weep much as the reward of what they used to earn. These hypocrites are happy and thinking that they are deceiving Allah and Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They are happy that they are mocking the true mu'mineen, and they are happy that they are gathering the wealth and the pleasures of this world, and they are happy that they are not spending their lives and their wealth in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and they are not facing the hardships in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. But this happiness is very little and very brief, as they will end up in the hereafter in the hellfire, and that hellfire is everlasting and much more worse than anything possible. And once they are in the hellfire, they cannot get out of it, and this hellfire is eternal. So that weeping, that sadness, that crying will be a lot more than the happiness they are gathering in this world. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala open our eyes, connect us with the truthful people, and make us steadfast on the straight path. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.